A named beneficiary is the person or entity you designate to receive your assets after you pass away. Let's look at how it works. This term is common in finance, but it is actually quite simple once you break down the legal intent. When you name a beneficiary on an account, those assets usually bypass the probate court process, speeding up the transfer significantly. You can assign beneficiaries to various financial products, from your retirement savings to simple bank accounts. It is important to remember that a beneficiary designation on an account typically overrides what is written in your last will and testament. This chart shows the approximate time required for assets to reach heirs. Using beneficiaries is almost always the faster route for your family. Life changes quickly, so keeping these designations updated is just as important as setting them up in the first place. Check your accounts today to ensure your choices are still current. This is educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.